You hear about these Samsung artificial humans, Will? Yeah, I didn't think so.
I did.
Oh, you did? Well done.
Yeah, just a little bit.
Just out there doing your job.
Yes.
Keeping your ear to
Somewhat.
the street. The street, of course, for the time being, meaning CES 2020.
Yeah.
That's where it's all
I
happening.
have my ear to the ground.
Good for you, Will. That's not easy to do. Guy
No.
like you. You're a busy guy. Take
Yes.
Otis, the dog park, light
Yeah.
the candle over on the side there. Find time to get to the spa.
Tons of dog park and spa.
Otis is a different guy when he goes to the dog park. You got to bring him there.
Oh, yeah.
He's running.
Uh-huh.
He's jumping. He's sniffing. He's being a dog.
A lot of sniffing.
He's being a dog. Plus, he's got part husky in him, so you got to put him in the snow every so often.
Mm-hmm. He needs to mush once in a while.
It's right in there. It's in the DNA.
Yes.
Deeply embedded. Well, Samsung, it's in their DNA. Project Neon Cat. It's Project Neon Cat. Whatever happened to stuff like that? What was it? Usually 20 hours worth of Neon Cat on YouTube. Whatever happened to that?
Yeah.
People don't do stuff like that anymore. That was like when the internet was cute.
Uh-huh.
Now the internet's so angry. There's nothing cute.
I know.
You kidding me? Cute. Get out of my face.
Everything's too dramatic.
Yeah, everyone's yelling, screaming. Yeah, Samsung has Project Neon, and they're calling these things artificial humans. Samsung's subsidiary, Star Labs, has officially unveiled its mysterious artificial human. So this is, again, CES, and it's a company under the Samsung umbrella somewhere. This is The Verge reporting. And they're saying that they're developing another species, Will. Because humans are good, other animals are pretty good. You got dolphins and giraffes we covered on a previous episode.
Yeah.
But we need another one as well. This is a quote from the CEO of Star Labs. There are millions of species on our planet, and we hope to add one more. And a bold statement. Some kind of God mode. We're just going to add one more.
Is it a species if it's zeros and ones?
Look, I know you're upset. And I hear
I'm
you.
just curious.
I hear you. I agree with you. Obviously, the guy's taking his liberties here, but he also probably worked pretty hard, Will.
I mean,
He probably spent evenings, nights
Good
and
for him.
evenings. He put in the extra. He put the
I
overtime.
respect that.
He put the overtime in.
Yeah.
And you don't even want to let him say species.
I mean,
Yeah, I hear you.
it's all digital.
No, I hear you. I hear you. He says Neon is like a new kind of life. Because he doesn't want to get wrapped up in the whole AI thing. He doesn't want to get wrapped up in the Alexa talk. That wouldn't be exciting. Oh, you got Alexa with an avatar?
Yeah.
Get out of my face. That's what people would say. So he goes this route, and then maybe look, we're talking about it, because he says artificial human. But to be honest, I mean, here's the take from The Verge, and it makes sense. They're saying, well, this is an avatar. It's a digital avatar. Maybe it looks more like a person. But here's the thing. Here's the key. Who really knows? Because apparently at their demonstration, they weren't even showing off the tech. It was all kind of maybe stuff. Apparently, It was real people that they were kind of pretending were behaving like these eventual avatars. So you didn't really get to see what these AI generated avatars were going to look like. But the game plan here is that eventually you end up with something capable of doing certain tasks. I said something because I didn't want to say species, because that felt rude
Yeah.
to go back there. Species. So they say here it can be customized for different tasks, and it can respond to queries with latency of less than a few milliseconds. Computationally generated. Here's a quote. In the near future, one will be able to license or subscribe to a Neon. That's your slave, Will, in the future. Excuse me, I got a bunch of stuff for my Neon to take care of. I'll be back in a minute.
Yeah. Neon, can you just handle all those
You're gonna be
bills
yelling
I
and
have and
You're gonna be yelling and
taxes?
screaming. You're gonna be yelling and screaming at your Neon.
Yeah.
I'm gonna have to settle you down.
Uh-huh.
Would Neon have feelings?
They probably do.
That would be inconvenient feelings.
Yeah.
In the future, there's no feelings in the future. I thought you knew that.
Well, that's how they get you to not enslave them, to have feelings. So you kind of feel bad for them.
So all of a sudden you're saying please and thank you.
Yeah,
We talked about that.
Alexa.
If it all of a sudden it like appears like a person, it could be bad for you to not see it as a species. Maybe that's why he comes like that with the terminology, because eventually you look at this avatar and you're rude to it because you're like, well, it doesn't have feelings.
Yeah.
Then you get out in public and you forget
Yeah.
this real life. These aren't neons.
And they both look the same.
Yeah. Could be bad for you. Anyway, in the near future, one will be able to license or subscribe to a neon as a service representative, a financial advisor, a healthcare provider, or a concierge. Over time, neons will work as TV anchors, spokespeople, or movie actors. That's me. I'm a neon now
Oh.
because I'm a movie actor. You didn't know that.
What were you in?
Avengers Endgame, I was in that.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah,
What
yeah.
were you?
I was just in a big crowd.
Oh.
There's a big fight at the end. I'm just in that crowd.
You're just holding a sword or something?
Or they can simply be companions and friends. You're neon. So, but this is what CES is about. You got to have these type of you got to have these things going on. Somebody's got to be doing artificial something, and if you can call it a species, you can get some press. You can get an article on The Verge, and you can get us to talk about it. So good for you, Samsung subsidiary Project Neon. There you go. We had to talk about some project, something with project in the headline coming out of CES had to happen. Project.
Would you have something like this?
Yeah, we put them right over. Yeah, I mean, right here. Can we just do a neon that looks like me?
Yeah.
Go over the stories, interact with the people out there in the world. There ain't no neon me, Will. Stop it.
No, as like a assistant in your house.
Oh, you. So you're neon. A neon right over there? No. What would they do for me in the house?
I don't know, like something like smart home, turn on your blinds.
Okay, so like a
move
more
your
advanced
blinds and-
Alexa that has a visual appearance.
Yeah, it's
and
like
it's-
hologram or
It's
something.
hologram. Yeah, all right, sure. Why not? I don't know.